Let's talk about insert mode versus overtype mode. And let's start by looking at this sentence. If I wanted to insert an adjective right in front of girl, possibly the sweet girl, when I type sweet, it pushes all of these words out of the way. That is called insert mode. I can do that again with doll. I type in pretty doll and it pushes it out of the way. Once again, insert mode. However, let me go ahead and delete these words. If I start typing and it writes over the text instead of pushing it out of the way, that's called overtype mode. So I put my cursor in front of girl, I start typing sweet, instead of pushing it out of the way, it writes over it, overtype mode. Let's go to doll, type in pretty, it writes over it, now I'm in overtype mode. Let me just undo what I just did. So essentially, insert mode is when you're typing and it pushes the text out of the way. Overtype mode, it writes over the text. And when you open up Microsoft Word, it usually is set already to insert mode. But let me show you how to change that. You go to File, you go to Options, and you go to Advanced. And then right in the middle, you're going to see Use the Insert key to control Overtype mode. The Insert key is the insert key on your keyboard. And if I do not have this checked and I want to be able to switch it back and forth between insert mode and overtype mode, I'm going to keep it checked. So let me go ahead and open up my on-screen keyboard so you can see what I'm doing. And hit OK there. So, to switch between insert and overtype mode, I'm just going to hit insert on my keyboard. And now when I type sweet, it pushes the text out of the way. That's insert mode. And now if I hit insert again, it flips it to overtype mode. So now I go to in front of doll, I type in pretty, and it writes over it. So once again, insert mode pushes the text out of the way. Overtype mode writes over the text. To switch between insert and overtype mode, I need to enable it by going to File, Options, Advanced. Make sure I check this box here, and then on my keyboard I hit insert to toggle back and forth between insert and overtype mode. Try it. See what you can do.